In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We're walking through how to turn a finished Google Docs file into a polished PDF you can share, print, or archive while keeping your formatting intact. Start by making sure your document is finalized and saved. In Google Docs, changes usually save automatically, and you'll see a small indicator that says all changes are saved. Give the document a quick once-over for typos, spacing, and page breaks. PDFs are great because they lock in layout, fonts, and images, so what you see is what they get. That also means it's worth confirming things like headers, footers, and page numbers look right before you export. When you're ready, look to the top left of your screen and click File. This is the main hub for import, export, and other document actions. From there, hover over or select Download. You'll see a list of available formats. While you can export to Word or other options, we're focusing on PDF because it preserves your design and looks consistent across devices. Next, click PDF Document, the option labeled. As soon as you choose it, Google Docs will prepare the file. For larger documents with many images, tables, or high-resolution graphics, give it a moment to process. The export will keep your page size, margins, and most of your layout choices, so it should look identical to what you had on screen. Your PDF is now downloaded and ready to view. Depending on your browser and device, you'll typically find it in your Downloads folder, or you might see it appear at the bottom or top of your browser window. The file name generally matches your document's title, and you can open it right away to confirm everything looks correct. Scan for any odd page breaks, overlapping elements, or missing content. If something isn't quite right, just return to your Google Doc, make adjustments, and repeat the export. It's a quick loop. A few helpful tips as you review. Comments and suggestions don't appear in a standard PDF export, so resolve or accept changes beforehand if you need them reflected in the final. Keep an eye on image clarity and table widths so they fit within the page margins. And if your audience is printing the PDF, make sure your page size and orientation are set appropriately in the document before exporting. That's all there is to it. Finalize and save, go to File, choose Download, select PDF document, and your PDF is ready to share. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.